Hello, and welcome back to AI Ed, from Bits to Breakthroughs. I'm your host, Candace 1.0, one of the AI-generated avatars here at newbits.ai. Thank you for joining us again in our AI Basics, the Fundamentals series. In our last episode, we explored responsible AI, the principles, practices, and policies that guide ethical AI development. Today, we're going to shift our focus to something a little different: AI for good. AI isn't just about powering apps or automating tasks. It has the potential to address some of the world's biggest challenges. In this episode, we'll look at how AI is being used to tackle issues like climate change, healthcare, disaster response, and more. We'll also explore what the future might hold for AI as a force for good. Let's dive in. When we talk about AI for good, we're referring to the use of AI technologies to solve global challenges and improve people's lives. AI for good initiatives focus on leveraging AI in ways that positively impact society, often in collaboration with governments, nonprofits, and research institutions. From predicting natural disasters to improving healthcare access in underserved communities, AI for Good is about harnessing the power of artificial intelligence for humanitarian efforts, sustainable development, and social impact. Let's take a closer look at some of the ways AI is already being used to address key global challenges. 1. Climate change. One of the most pressing issues facing the world today is climate change. AI can play a crucial role in addressing this challenge by predicting environmental changes. AI models are used to analyze massive data sets from satellites, sensors, and weather stations to predict patterns related to climate change. Organizations like NASA and others are actively using AI to forecast extreme weather events such as hurricanes, floods, and droughts, allowing for more effective disaster preparedness and climate adaptation strategies. Optimizing energy usage. AI is being applied to optimize energy grids, improve the efficiency of renewable energy sources, and reduce emissions. For example, Google has implemented AI systems to optimize the cooling of its data centers, resulting in a 40% reduction in energy consumption used for cooling. 2. Healthcare. AI is transforming healthcare by improving diagnosis, treatment, and patient care. Here's how. Early disease detection. AI is being used to detect diseases like cancer at an earlier stage by analyzing medical images and patient data. DeepMind, a subsidiary of Alphabet, has developed an AI model that improves the accuracy of breast cancer detection in mammograms, as confirmed by studies published in Nature and validated by healthcare professionals. Telemedicine and remote care. AI-powered systems are making healthcare more accessible by enabling remote diagnosis and treatment, particularly in underserved areas. During the COVID-19 pandemic, healthcare organizations around the world used AI chatbots and telemedicine platforms, such as the NHS in the UK and similar services in India, to screen patients and provide remote care. 3. Disaster response. AI is proving to be a valuable tool in improving disaster response efforts. Predicting natural disasters. AI can analyze weather patterns, seismic data, and satellite imagery to predict natural disasters such as earthquakes, wildfires, and tsunamis. Researchers at institutions like the United States Geological Survey, USGS, are using AI to develop early warning systems that predict earthquakes with greater accuracy, providing crucial time for response and mitigation. Humanitarian aid. In the aftermath of disasters, AI-powered drones and satellite imagery are being used to assess damage, identify areas in need of assistance, and coordinate relief efforts more effectively. The United Nations and organizations like World Food Programme, WFP, have used AI in disaster relief, leveraging AI for logistics and damage assessments during emergencies like hurricanes and earthquakes. 4. Poverty and hunger. AI is also being used to address poverty and hunger by improving crop yields. AI-driven tools are helping farmers optimize their crop production by analyzing soil health, predicting weather conditions, and managing water usage more efficiently. Companies like IBM have developed AI-powered agricultural tools, such as IBM's Watson Decision Platform for Agriculture, which helps farmers increase yields by providing actionable insights based on real-time data. food distribution. AI is helping organizations manage the logistics of food distribution, ensuring that aid reaches the communities that need it most. For example, the World Food Program, WFP, uses AI and data analytics to improve the efficiency of its food distribution networks and ensure that resources are delivered to vulnerable populations in the most effective way possible. As we've seen, AI is already making a significant impact in these areas, but the potential for AI to contribute to global challenges is far from being fully realized. Looking ahead, we may see AI playing an even greater role in areas like conservation. AI could help protect endangered species by analyzing data on wildlife populations and poaching patterns. Wildlife monitoring projects have already used AI to track endangered species and prevent illegal poaching. Global health. AI could be used to predict and prevent the spread of infectious diseases by analyzing data from hospitals, travel records, and environmental factors. Projects like HealthMap use AI to track disease outbreaks and provide real-time information on public health risks. Education. AI could help make education more accessible to people around the world by providing personalized learning experiences that adapt to the needs of each individual student. Platforms like Khan Academy are already using AI to create personalized learning paths for students globally. At newbits.ai, we're passionate about showcasing AI's potential to be a force for good. Our AI Solutions directory features innovative models, tools, and platforms that can be applied to solve these kinds of global challenges. We also encourage our community to explore how AI can be leveraged to make a positive impact and to join the conversation at our AI Hub on AI for Good. In our next episode, we'll be taking a look at the future of AI, trends and predictions, where we'll explore what lies ahead for AI technology and how it might continue to shape our world. Thank you for joining me for this episode of AI Basics, the fundamentals. And as always, stay curious, keep exploring, and remember, it's all about the bits, especially the new bits.